I'm back! Hey you guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, if you could take just a second and hit that subscribe button down below, you know, I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, for all my people who this is not your first time here, you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos. I know you want to subscribe. I know you like me. You keep coming back to my channel. You keep watching my videos. You must like me. So why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You already know where it is. Hey you guys, I hope you're doing good. I am doing very well. In today's video, I just have a quick little tutorial for you. I am going to show you my no makeup look. I'm gonna go meet up with my friend in a little bit and we're gonna maybe get some henna tattoos. So I just wanted to do something really quick and fun so I can not look like a complete hot mess when I go out. I was going to show you what I do to my brows, but I had a little mishap, and that's my Kool-Aid finger. Sorry. yes, that I'm one of those people. I overplucked my brow right there. I don't know if you can really see. So I went ahead and filled in my brows, but I'm going to show you what I would have used and what I did use. So if you're not new to this channel and you've seen some of my makeup videos or skincare videos or my vanity tour or really anything, because I use these products a lot. I always start off my makeup or my skincare routine with my skincare products. So I did go ahead and use my Intensive Blemish Serum because my forehead has just been so broken out lately. I don't even know what the deal is. Use my under eye cream and my moisturizer. So that's what I always do to start off. Then I went ahead and filled in my brows. So what I was going to do was grab this. This is the Julep, what is it? Don't Leave Your Brows at Home. I really love this. It's an all-in-one brow powder and brush. The brush is on the end. You open up this end and it has the powder inside. You dip the brush in and you... but this is really just for filling in your brows. If you need some more definition, this might not do it for you. So I needed something a little dark to really help fill in that brow right there where I was missing stuff. So I went ahead and used my go-to is my Beauty Bakery brownies. That's what it is, right? Yeah, it's my brownies in the color brown with my brow brush. So normally when I'm doing my no makeup look, I would go ahead and grab this because I just need a little fill in, you know. But today we had to go ahead and use the brownies. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on a little mascara, like literally no eyeshadow today. We don't need any of that. So which one do I want to use today? I always say this wrong. I think I'm going to use this one. Is that a hair on me? Do I have a hair on me? Aha! Ciate. Something. Oh, it's a reflection off this. That's what it is. This is what I'm going to use on my lashes today. So we're just going to give the lashes some definition. Now, don't judge me when I make my weird mouth movements, okay? Just what some mascara can do for you. I'm not a proponent of eyelash extensions because I rub my eyes. I like to sleep on my face. My eyes itch. They water a lot. So eyelash extensions are just not for me. And if you guys know, if you watched my latest hair update, I'm just a really low maintenance person. I don't want to get my eyelashes done every couple weeks. I just don't feel like it. Ain't good time. So mascara is just fine for me. If you have your eyelashes done, then obviously you don't need this step and you can just skip this step and you really have a no makeup look. Okay, now I do my bottom lashes too. Okay, I think we're gonna go in with one more coat. See what just a little bit of makeup can do for you? You don't need a whole lot. Ooh, look, I feel so pretty already. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, you guys know that, again, if you watch my channel, you should subscribe. If you watch my channel, then you know that I love lip gloss. I'm a Carmex girl. I love Carmex. But I've had this little gem right here for like 10 years probably. This is the Revlon Just Bitten Lip Stain. Now, they do have a balm that's still available. This is not like the balm. This little guy right here is a lip stain pen. And let me just say, it's still going after 10 years. Like, it still has pigment. So what I do is I line my lips with this, and then I can use my Carmex or my lip gloss. So let me show you. It used to have a, I know that's cringy. It used to have a chapstick lip balm on the back of here, but obviously I really don't know what happened to it. I really couldn't tell you. I think that there was a cap on the end of this, and yeah, obviously it's gone now. Just a little, they don't make this anymore. Like I said, they do make like this lip balm stain kind of thing, but I was never really interested in that. They don't make these anymore. However, recently I was able to find 3 different colors on eBay. If you guys are interested in looking for them, I think that there was still a few available on eBay. This one I think I'm going to put up on my Poshmark, which is always linked in the description box below, because it's just a little too light for me. I thought it was going to be like a dark brown, but it's not quite. It's more like a nudie shade. So I'm going to put that up on my Poshmark if you would be interested in it. But yeah, just so you guys know, like I said, Revlon does not make this anymore, but you might be able to find some listings from people that are reselling it. So just in case you do get this, I do sometimes fill in my entire lip with this, but you have to be careful, and I'm going to tell you why. Is because, you see that right there? No, not my Kool-Aid finger. This little spot right here where I have like peeled the skin off, I have anxiety. So I used to bite my nails, but I've quit doing that. But since I've quit doing that, sometimes I'll notice that I'll bite my lip if I'm feeling anxious, you know, just like that. So I try not to do it, but sometimes it happens, and I'm left with, like, you know, pieces of new skin. So when you put this lip stain on there, that will be darker than the rest of your lip. It's gonna look like 10 times darker than that. So if you do have spots like that on your lip, you just want to be careful about filling in your whole lip with this, because it will stain it and it will make it darker. But I'm getting ready to show you how I line my lips. Okay, top lip done. You can make this part a little bolder though, huh? Okay, yeah, okay. And boom, you got lined pretty lips. I love it. And then I am going to put some of my chapstick over that, which I don't have right now, but I'll grab it and show you in just a second. I could use my own lip gloss. Yes, I make lip gloss. You can find it in the Glow Mother shop, linked below. Of course, I have all my links below. Duh. And now you got some lip definition with a glossy lip. I love it. I'm all about it. All right. So next and almost last step is some highlighter. You can't complete a no makeup look without highlighter. Just gonna put some highlighter right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna take the tip so you can see where it's kind of pointed up there. So I'm gonna take it and put a little bit right here and highlight my brow bone. Ow, ow. Okay. Then I also like to take a little bit, just a little bit, and put it on my temple. And then a little bit on my nose. My Cupid's bow that I really don't have. And boom. Okay. So the last step for me, you'll see. You can totally skip this step, but I have this hole in my face that I feel like is very distracting. It's from my Monroe piercing. So guess what? We're gonna give me a little black dot right there. Sometimes I gotta be careful because it looks like I just have dirt on my face. Good thing we don't have on a foundation. All right, I'm just gonna leave it. We're just gonna leave it. We'll skip that step. So that is all for my no makeup look. And isn't that so nice? Like, I look fresh and polished, but don't look like too put together. Kind of looks natural. Yes, I'm all about it. If you like me, if you like natural makeup, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. You know where that is down below. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to follow me some more, you can interact with me on IG at Miss So Elegant. I do lots of polls and stories and things, so yeah, we can interact that way. We can be friends. I'm cool, I swear. So that is all for today's video. Until next time, I love you guys. Later. I didn't get to show you guys my cute ass outfit. So I got my Jurassic Park shirt, right? But I also got my Jurassic Park socks. I'm styling.